Hello everybody, welcome to the crypto realm. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and the mining operations in China. And yesterday there was a good video by BitBoy exposing talking heads from the legacy system like Kramer coming on over to the crypto system. And they're just talking heads, right? They prove that all they do is promote ideologies to scam people later. That's all the mainstream media does. It's all propaganda to fool with your fears and emotions. And we need to be careful of that. We need to, even though I'm pretty secure in the fact that crypto does not need corporations and talking heads, we can just certainly bypass all that. It's decentralized. Sure, you're talking about regulations and this and that, but it's too good technology. It's too good of a technology for the world just to abandon. And if they do, hopefully there's enough of us that can point out the greed of this legacy system. Especially people like Mark Cuban, Elon Musk coming in here that just learned how to buy Bitcoin like a few months ago and they're pumping like crap coins. It's disgusting. We need to make sure these people get put in check and stay away from us in this system because we know better. Alright, so let's talk about China. Cointelegraph. Article written by Erhan Karaman. So China proves Bitcoin is an unstoppable machine. Bitcoin Center founder. So Bitcoin's price goes up once regulatory setbacks are digested by the crypto community. Zap Protocol co-founder Nick Spanos says. Yeah, like this guy Kramer was talking about how Bitcoin is going to be doomed for a while and because China's not going to be accepting miners in their country. Who needs that? You can do it anywhere. We're not based on China. Alright, so China's crackdown on Bitcoin mining continues to face determined responses across the ecosystem. One of the first BTC exchange operators and co-founder of Zap Protocol, Nick Spanos, said that the crackdown only proves Bitcoin is an unstoppable machine. If the world's second biggest economy can't crush, devalue, and manipulate Bitcoin, it's true. Noting that the crackdown is increasing scarcity due to there being fewer miners relative to the transaction volume. Spanos underscored the increase in miners' profits while the mining difficulty continues to decrease, he explained. Bitcoin's algorithm adjusts roughly every 2 weeks to allow one block of transactions to be mined every 10 minutes. So it's become both easier and more profitable to mine Bitcoin. That's a recipe for enticing more miners back in. So Spanos said miners moving out of China will seek to find a place with immediate neighbors, such as Kazakhstan, Iran, and Russia. Others in the region would also be well served to seize this opportunity, he added. Recently, one of the major mining groups operating in China announced its plans to move out of the country and distribute its mining operations among the United Arab Emirates, Canada, the United States, Kazakhstan, and Iceland. You see, it's just, if China, who cares if China has mining or not? This is a whole complete decentralized system. Anybody can set up shop anywhere and start mining Bitcoin. Spanos noted that Bitcoin's price has always gone up once regulatory setbacks are digested by the community. Yeah, and that's what we have to think about. All these talking heads like Musk and Cuban, they know nothing about cryptocurrency. We need to stop letting these people think they have all this power just because they have money. Last week, Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz saw a big net positive for Bitcoin in China's crackdown attempt. He said that the market crash from an all-time high followed by high volatility was a successful test for the crypto ecosystem as a whole. That is true. We just took that bunch of FUD, people panicked, and we're still up around 34,000. It's just remarkable. There's like this says at the beginning of this article, it's an unstoppable machine. And just more on the topic, another article on Cointelegraph by Helen Parts. Crypto mining firm Argo Blockchain eyes secondary Nasdaq listing. After becoming the first blockchain firm to list on the London Stock Exchange, Argo Blockchain is now looking at a potential secondary listing on the Nasdaq. Non-stop. Argo Blockchain, a publicly traded blockchain technology company focused on cryptocurrency mining, is looking at a potential secondary listing on the Nasdaq exchange. You see, companies are going to be taking advantage. They know this is a whole new ecosystem, a whole new way to do business and move data around the world securely and safely and transparent. You'd be surprised at how much of these charities and organizations that say they help people actually pay their CEOs like a couple hundred thou a year, 100 thou a year. They're driving Porsches and BMWs. What kind of charities and organizations to help people is that? That's just like hypocritical and the worst. It's unbelievable. On Tuesday, the company announced that it is now exploring the possibility of a secondary listing on the Nasdaq as part of its operational and strategic update for June 2020. More and more adoption. Argo Blockchain said the firm has not yet reached a decision on the timing of the secondary listing, noting that there is no guarantee that the listing will be finalized. Any proposed listing is subject to market and other conditions, and there can be no assurance as to whether or when the proposed listing may be completed, the company stated. So as part of the latest update, Argo Blockchain disclosed that the company mined a total of 167 Bitcoin with a mining revenue of 4.4 million British pounds, 6 million. I guess that's American. And a mining profit rate of 78%, according to the announcement. Argo Blockchain's total mining revenue stands at 883 BTC year to date. Shoo! And the company projects to hold 1,286 BTC, or an equivalent amount, by the end of the month. Wow, that's just crazy. Related, China crypto ban, a huge opportunity for Canada, mining group head says. It's an opportunity for anybody that has the vision to see how they can take advantage of this whole new system. Not people like Mark Cuban and Elon Musk who come in and pump Doge and then complain about proof of work, but meanwhile Doge is proof of work. You see the hypocrisy here? Oh, it's just horrible. Horrible characters. Horrible people. Argo Blockchain CEO Peter Wall said that the crypto industry faced big changes in June, referring to a significant reduction in the total global hash rate and mining difficulty amid a crackdown on crypto mining in China. Argo has capitalized on these changes, continuing to deliver strong revenue at an impressive margin, the firm noted. Yeah, so every day there's just more adoption. Every day there's good news. Ignore the FUD. That's what these propaganda machines are for. Even the people on like Twitter and on YouTube in the comment section, they're mostly bots and they're mostly other organizations with people sitting there purposely creating FUD and purposely arguing with you. Remember that next time you get into an argument on YouTube or Twitter. It most likely could be someone paid to do so. But thank you for watching, and keep your minds open about crypto. Always do your own research, and you will be alright. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.